G'day guys, Ron here from Osborne Digital Marketing. Today I'm going to talk about how to hire a digital marketing agency. Let's jump into it. So what does a digital marketing agency have to offer? A digital marketing agency can help you with search engine optimization, SEO, Google Ads, pay-per-click, social media marketing like your Facebook, your Instagram, all of that type of stuff, website services, so website upgrades, website improvements, UX optimization. Those are the types of things that a digital marketing agency can help you with. Now, the main reason that you'd be looking to utilize a digital marketing agency is to increase leads. That's the main thing. You want to generate more revenue for your business. It doesn't matter if you don't have a great website if you don't bring any business in through your website. However, if you are a local business or you need a website to build up your credibility, then yes, hiring a digital marketing agency would be worthwhile for you to consider. Now, because there's a lot of digital marketing agencies out there that are unfortunately pull the wool over a lot of business owners' eyes, I'm going to walk you through a lot of tips and tricks on how you can actually vet an agency. So I'm going to explain a lot of examples on how you can take this to a digital marketing agency to ensure that you actually get the best and you hire the best team for your business and you're not left with a non-performing asset. The first thing that you want to do is ensure that they have previous and past success via reviews and actual referrals. Now, you'll find that a lot of digital marketing agencies will actually not show the names of the businesses, or they show something generic like web traffic. They don't actually tell you what they were able to generate in revenue. Now, there's a reason behind all of this. It's because people steal our work. Our clients pay us thousands of dollars a month for us to go out there and get them to rank on Google, number one, or they pay us to do Google Ads. And then their competitor comes along and just mimics everything that we did for that client. That's not fair. So they get all of that hard work that we were paid thousands of dollars to do for free. So that's why you will find a lot of people actually will not display stuff on their website. They'll show some quite generic, perhaps Google reviews, compared to a portfolio book. That is why you will need to ask the digital marketing agency you're looking to hire, you'll need to ask them for that performance book. The agency should supply you with marketing reports every single month. Now, it doesn't matter how these are presented as long as they're presented. I've actually worked with a lot of people in the past that signed up to work with an SEO agency, and I asked for those reports so I can see what work was completed, what they were being told that they were doing. Nothing. Crickets. Nothing is shown, nothing is given. If you reach month one and you do not have a report from that digital marketing agency, you need to be concerned, because everything should be tracked and recorded so they can present that to you and say, this is how we went last month, this is what we noticed, this is what we saw improve and, not improve. In the world of digital marketing, especially SEO, things will go up and things will go down. But as long as that trajectory is consistently trending up, then you're okay. But the digital marketing agency should be able to show this to you and present this to you. That is vitally important. Make sure that you have monthly reports, and at least you should be respected enough that they will sit down with you for at least a 30-minute call each month to discuss the report. Not just email them out to you. And, it's quite complex looking at those reports sometimes. I'm sure the average person does not understand a backlink gap and how we were going away and building those links. So they should show you the decency to get on the phone with you, either be it a Zoom, chat like this, and actually say, hey, this is what this means. At least 30 minutes a month they should devote to you explaining those reports. Now, when you're hiring a digital marketing agency, you should ensure that the price is actually reasonable for the work that's being done. Now, you shouldn't expect a $2.99 SEO service a month to actually yield you any results. To be completely honest, that type of stuff, it's not going to work. You're going to get a ton of bad links. You're going to get an awfully written piece of content, and they're not going to be able to spend any time on your website. And unfortunately, that's what a lot of people get duped into thinking, that cheap is actually better in the SEO world and anyone can do it. That is not the case. As an example, Lawyer SEO will cost you thousands of dollars. If you are a law firm, you need to invest thousands into your SEO campaign, because That's realistic. Law firms, your competitors, are actually investing tens of thousands into their marketing a lot of the time. The ones up the top, they invest heavily into trying to rank for those competitive keywords that will yield them a lot of money. When it comes to the local business, such as a plumber, HVAC, if you're looking to hire a digital marketing agency, your figures, depending upon how big the area is, so if you're just down south to me in Miami as an example, then what's going to happen is it's still going to be on a little bit pricier side. However, if you're out in somewhere that's quite small, just one of the more so rural towns like a Sebring out in Florida, it's going to be a bit cheaper. It's not going to cost you $1,000, $2,000. It might be able to cost you $650. That's how you can look at the price. But honestly, do not expect to see positive results if you're working with an agency that's charging under $650 a month. Something that you need to be super vigilant of when you're looking to hire a digital marketing agency is that they set realistic expectations. As an example, we primarily focus on SEO and Google Ads. SEO takes time. It doesn't happen overnight. I've had some clients come to me in the past, and this is true stories. They've said, when I was working with this other SEO agency, they told me that I'd be ranking number one for plumber in Dallas in 2 weeks' time. That's maybe on Google Ads, that's possible, but not in SEO. So be super vigilant when you are speaking with a digital marketing agency that they're not taking the mickey on you. Realistically, if you are looking to utilize SEO, as an example, if you're a local business, that can give you a bit of a boost in a couple of months' time. But realistically, if you are in a city and if you are anything slightly competitive, 6 to 12 months is a very realistic target for solid improvements in an SEO campaign. You don't want to hear, if you hear something along the lines of a couple of weeks in SEO, run. Ensure that that digital marketing agency that you're looking to hire actually ranks well on Google. Now, funnily enough, there's a lot of marketing agencies out there that unfortunately don't even rank well on Google themselves. If you actually Google the business name, they're nowhere to be found. If they can't be found for their main business, if you enter their name into Google and they do not appear number one organically, you need to move on. And when you're looking to hire a digital marketing agency, they should not be pushing you for a sale. If you're looking to generate leads for your business, digital marketing is right for you. If you want to rank some keywords, so phrases such as plumber in Fort Lauderdale, number one, digital marketing is right for you. But if you're not sure how digital marketing will actually help your business or if it's the right fit for you, the agency should be willing to forego a sale and actually explain to you, hey, this is what you need to look for. Probably digital marketing isn't appropriate for you. They shouldn't be pushing a sale because not every business will succeed from digital marketing. Expanding on that, I was actually contacted by a satellite company that created satellites and are contracted to NASA. Now, that was really cool and they would have been a wicked client to have, but they didn't need SEO. Their web developer did such an exceptional job. Their in-house web development team did a great job setting up their website. They're ranking number one for their business name. And then when I went on to ask the managing director, hey, how do you actually win your work? It's obviously not through their website. Their website is just a part of their business. They just have it there. They don't really focus on it. It's just about putting up a blog every now and then, which they have no one read. They don't like focusing on it. They don't try to drive leads through that because the leads that they're going after is NASA and Starlink. So it's a very, very different business model than your average plumber. I can't sell SEO services to them because it's just not ethically right. They didn't need SEO. When I Googled their business name, there they were number one. Their main services that I Googled, there they were 1, 2, or 3. That is completely fine, and that's where they should be. That digital marketing agency that you're looking to work with shouldn't be pushing a sale if you don't really need it. The digital marketing agency you're looking to hire should also support you throughout the whole journey of the process. Watch out for the large organizations. They will treat you as a number. I've seen it so many times. Unfortunately, that's just how it goes. They need to pump out as many business owners as they can. You want to work with someone that actually has your best interest involved, and you want to work with someone when you pick up that phone, they're there to answer it. So if you need a digital marketing agency, reach out to Osborne Digital Marketing. More than happy to help, more than happy to answer any questions that you may have about this weird and wacky world that I'm a part of. I love helping out business owners. That's exactly why I got into this gig. I thoroughly enjoy it. I hope I've answered the question of how to hire a digital marketing agency. If you have any questions, place them down below. Make sure you like and subscribe this. Share it out there for your friends and families, any other business owners. We help them all, unless you're in the space game. Have a great day.